yesterday there was a meeting called by Kamala Harris at the White House. In attendance were the CEO of Alphabet, Microsoft, OpenAI, and Anthropic. Anthropic is a little different than the others because its job is to make sure that AI stays on track.
Yeah.
It doesn't cause any intentional or unintentional causes problems for humans. So anyway, the output of this meeting was that these guys agreed to open up their systems and let somebody take a look at how they're operating and if they present any problems with causing any danger or security issues for humans. So it should be interesting what comes out. Now, there's another report that in addition to those four, that there were a couple of people agreed that they could open up their systems too. NVIDIA, Hugging Face, Stability AI, and I think there was another one, I don't remember. But I don't know if they just kind of jumped in to get on the bandwagon, or I don't think they were at the meeting, but that's what it didn't sound like. So, but anyway, the intent is to make sure that all the models align with the principles and practices that the Biden administration's got a blueprint for AI. There's a Bill of Rights and AI risk management framework. And those were put out I think 6 months ago. So they're trying to make sure that AI aligns with that. And I think it's good as long as we don't get too deep into it and cause it to stumble or stop or, let China get ahead of us in the whole deal. But, take a look at it and, maybe make some suggestions on issues that may not be secure enough or whatever. But, I wouldn't like to see them get too deep into it. So
yeah. Well, hey, Kamala's on the case.
Yes.
I'm sure it's gonna do great, and there's gonna be a lot that'll get done because her track record is really good.
There was nothing about word salad in the press release.
She's trying really hard, Pat.
I know she is trying. I think she was the border czar. So, anyways, but hey, this is a tech show. We really don't get into things like that. Yeah, the UK CMA and the EU and everybody's putting the clamps on. In fact, China's locked it down pretty hard publicly.
Yeah.
But make no mistake, China is cranking on this thing. And there were actually some new hardware limitations that were put on China. Sorry, new ones that are being considered even stricter than the ones that are in play today, and that impacts companies like NVIDIA, AMD, startups like Grok, Tenstorrent, folks like that.